Welcome back to Plain Simple English. I'm so happy you're here again. It means you're serious about improving. And that's where everything begins. Today we're going to practice spoken English. We'll use a powerful technique called shadowing. You will listen to me speak first. Then you will repeat after me out loud. Don't just read in your head. Speak clearly and confidently. Copy the rhythm and pronunciation. Train your mouth and your ears together. Even 5 minutes a day makes a difference. You don't need perfection. You just need progress. Let's begin. I usually wake up around 6:30. I stretch and take a deep breath. Then I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth carefully. I wash my face with cold water. Cold water helps me feel awake. Sometimes I take a quick shower. After that, I change into clean clothes. I choose something simple and comfortable. Then I go to the kitchen. I prepare my breakfast. I usually eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit and yogurt. I enjoy drinking tea in the morning. I check my phone before leaving. I pack my bag with what I need. I put on my shoes. Then I walk to the bus stop. I wait quietly and check the time. At work, I greet everyone politely. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I start my most important task first. In the afternoon, I take a short break. I drink tea and relax. If I have time, I study English. I read or watch short videos. Now let's practice daily English phrases. Repeat after me clearly. Speak slowly and confidently. Ready? How are you today? It's nice to see you. Can I see the menu, please? I will have a cup of coffee. How much does this cost? Can I pay by card? Could you help me with this? Thank you, have a nice day. I feel more confident every day. Mistakes help me improve. Speaking out loud makes me stronger. Practice makes progress. English is becoming part of my life. I trust the learning process. Small steps lead to big results. I am proud of my progress. Amazing work today. You showed up and practiced. Keep shadowing every day. And I'll see you in the next video.